Hello future doctors, welcome to NEET Guidance. This presentation is especially for aspirants who are facing so much difficulty in physics. The main problem is that they are very fast in biology and chemistry. Their marks are rounding up to average to like 520 or 500 marks, but they are not up to the marks with respect to their category. They are not able to get the seat, especially for Karnataka candidates. And this is also applicable for other students also who are in a verge of borderline not getting seat this year. So there is so many reasons for facing difficulty in physics. There are many problems, and also there are many problems, and students should find solution for that problem so that they'll liaise with good marks in this year. So the main reason with the difficulty in physics that physics is a mainly application level based subject. It needs rigorous practice and consistency in studies and continuous studies in synopsis. Come, let us see that. So there is two questions we have to deal with. So what is the main reason for many students to score less in physics, and also second one is that how to overcome the difficulty in physics. I think first one comes with the problem in physics, and second is there like a solution for physics. So that main reason for many students to score less in physics is that many it may be mainly due to the lack of interest in physics, and maybe due to lack of practice in physics. And second one we can say that in short sentence that how to overcome difficulty in physics is that there should be a rigorous practice in physics. Maybe the student may give with respect to his limitations. He may study with 3 to 4 hours a day for subject. He should give more time to physics. And so many students are also facing difficulty in physics, even though they are studying so much hard and working very hard and solving numerical problems. Finally, they are not able to give it a good result. So these are some of the problems we are going to quickly check in this presentation. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for latest notifications. So the main reasons during preparation are as follows. During preparation, students use less time to physics compared to other subjects. This comes with when during the cumulative test and weekend test, when students will spend only less time to physics. Some students most of their time in physics, but still they score less. What is the main reason is that they are forgetting the old things while conquering the new things. Students concentrate on weekend exam and score well, but they find difficult to recollect earlier chapters. This happens mainly during the weekend exams. The students only concentrate to particular chapters or particular topics and score well in that topic, but earlier topics are left behind and they forget, so that they are not able to recollect. So if you are new user to this channel, please subscribe this channel for latest notifications regarding NEET. So let us continue. Students should give time to physics compared to other subjects, so that they won't find a shortage of time during the preparation. These are the main problems during preparation. And there are problems. There are some mistakes done during preparation, and also there are mistakes done during attempting the paper also. So these are some mistakes done during the preparation of the physics subject compared to biology and chemistry. Biology is a little bit easier subject as there is a direct questions from biology. And here comes the second thing. Reasons during attempting the paper. Mistakes committed by students are that they start the paper by solving from easy subjects. That is that many students start the paper by solving biology subject, next chemistry, and finally physics. They attend the physics section at the last hours. So they try to attend the paper. Due to lack of time at last 40 minutes or 50 minutes, they get panic and can't solve questions. And there is a chances that even though they know the answers, they will put wrong option, and finally after the exam they will come to know that they have put a wrong option. What is the main reason is that it is due to the panic condition. These are one of the most common problems faced by all the candidates who are in the range of who are in the range verge of borderline marks. So these are the main problems during the attempting the paper. Some mistakes or blunders committed by the candidates. This seems to be a simple mistake, but by overcoming the simple mistakes, there is a huge relief or there is a huge impact on the NEET scores, so that students will get good scores in their upcoming exams. So here comes a solution from that how to overcome difficulty in physics during preparation. During preparation, that there is a limit to every individual, so that every individual should find his own weakness in subject, like he may be strong in biology, chemistry, or physics, and according to that he should divide the time and give priority. Students should be thorough with theory and synopsis and generally start solving numericals. Many of the students will do that without knowing the synopsis and synopsis only. They will start solving the numericals. Here is a main backdrop where they will be temporarily they will be able to solve the numericals, but finally after long gap, after 2 to 3 minutes, they will forget the rest. Third is that there should be consistency during preparation, especially for physics. At least this means that there should be consistency in physics. It is a main problem that many students will study for 4 to 5 hours in a day, but after 2 to 3 days they will not for next day they will not read the physics at all, and after 4 to 5 days once again they will read for 6 hours. It is a main problem, but even if you study for half an hour, 1 hour, there should be a consistency in the physics. These are the main solutions that will come as a tricks to overcome the difficulty faced by the students during preparation. So if you overcome these difficulties, there will be a huge impact on your scores and you can improve your scores. This seems to be some simple things, but yes, next comes is the time management during examination. The second one is, it is the main important thing that after studying for a whole year, the finally what you will attempt the paper in last 3 hours in exam, last not in 3 hours in exam will come give you a result. During examination, students should attempt the paper fresh-minded. While entering the exam, you should enter the exam with a fresh-minded. Should not be fear of your consequences of the exam. What if you not clear this exam, and what might be their future life? After entering the exam hall, start attempting the paper from easy questions from all the subjects. Next, the moderate, and finally the difficult. First, we start the paper with easy questions from all the subjects. Don't fix your borderline to only separate individual subjects. After attending the paper, go to next subject and attempt the whole paper. And it is a very essential to gain confidence during the preparation. It can be done by attempting the easy questions in less time. If you cover the first round in minimum 40 minutes from the other subjects, it will give confidence that you will get to know the level of the question paper. And in next half an hour, give individual subjects like biology, and in next half an hour chemistry, and finally to the physics section. And in finally spend rest of the time the numerical based questions. It will give a big confidence and it will boost your score to the huge marks and the top scores. These are the main important points during time management during examination. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel for latest notifications. If these strategies or tips will be followed by a student, finally by the end of the year, for this upcoming exam, students will find easy to overcome the difficulty in physics, and they can boost up their scores. This is the main important theme of this presentation. I think it might help even with a few students. It is a huge satisfaction for me. Even if you like this video, please like the video and share. Confidence is one of the main factors during examination. You attempting the paper. Startingly, if you attempt the paper with a huge confidence, mind will automatically work well with a fresh minded. Finally, your scores will be improved a lot. which will give more satisfaction while attempting the paper. It gives a big relief, so that the mind will be working in a huge the well collected condition. And one more thing is that should be attended attention enough to see the time management. You should not forget. You should not always be keeping to the wall clock. Finally, wish you all the best. Thank you.